Hello. My name is Aika Stallway. Ever since I was very little, I dreamed of being a time traveler. Of course, time travel was never possible, except for that movie Back to the Future from back in the 1980s. However, that movie really brought inspiration to me. As I grew older, I knew I wanted to do something along the lines of time traveling and getting a perspective of the future from a different and unique point of view. By the time I turned 22, I decided to venture into the world of technology and programming. I went to my local electronics store and bought a very nice gaming computer and a virtual reality headset. I had gotten the extra money from getting tips working as a server at a family restaurant in the town where I grew up. I then went online on my gaming computer and downloaded some pieces of software that were capable of running and generating code. I had learned quite a bit of coding and computer science in high school that I somewhat knew what I was doing. After a few hours of typing, generating, processing, and testing codes in my software, I went online again and decided to find software that was able to allow me to run code on a virtual reality headset. This required a lot more programming and a lot of patience, as every single piece of code had to be added into different assets of a program. I knew a bit of graphical interface and design too, as I took some small classes shortly after graduating high school. I then went along and decided to make a time-traveling program that was compatible with virtual reality headsets. I had worked on this program and designing assets for it for nearly 3 weeks, and after I had clicked the test and publish button on my computer, and sent it to the virtual reality headset to process, I was so happy. I had put so much work in that thing that I was so relieved and excited at the same time. I put on my virtual reality headset to try the program out, but something was not right. The item I bought was not just a virtual reality headset. It turns out it was a virtual reality headset with something extraordinary that I had never seen before. After the headset had processed the code I had converted into it, it actually opened up a portal, like a real portal that would send me to the outer reaches of the future. And that is when things changed in my life, forever.